Welcome to Christian Outdoor Amstelville. Today I am preparing the bonsai trees for winter. I'm putting them under this bench to give them shelter from the cold. When you prepare your bonsai trees for winter, it is important that they are close to the ground because the ground always brings some heat up, and the frost has a harder time getting to the trees if they're connected to the ground. So that's what I'm doing in this video. I'm organizing the trees and preparing them for winter. It's also a good idea to put them close together. In that way they support each other and the wind can't get all around the pot. So yes, that's what the video is about today. And you might ask yourself, why do I put them under the bench? Why not just out in the open where they get as much sunlight during winter as possible? But it's the fact with deciduous trees, they don't actually need sunlight when they've dropped all their leaves, so that's why I can put them down under the bench. And then why not put them inside a greenhouse? That's because it's actually good for these deciduous outside bonsai trees to get a little frostbite, and that way they'll know which season it is. And opposed to trees that's standing in the ground, the bonsai trees in pots are very much more exposed to the frost, so they need some sort of cover if you want to have as big chances as possible for them to survive the winter. So that's why I've tried to organize it like this. I hope it works and the trees will get safely through the winter. There you go, all my bonsai trees under cover of the bonsai bench. I've put them as close together as possible, and this one is outside the bench because I'm going to work a little bit on it once it has fully defoliated. It's easier with the it sometimes is easier with the bonsai trees when they are defoliated when you can really see the branches to work with them. So yeah, I'm gonna try this with my large forest here, which is also gonna be repotted in the spring. So there'll be a video there. We'll see if they all survive, of course, I hope. At least the winter is a little less tough down here in Italy than back home in Denmark. So I think this is well enough to protect the trees from the winter. Thanks for watching. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe and a like, if you wouldn't mind, to the channel so I can keep this journey going.